Hey party people, happy to have you with me. You won't want to miss this clip. We have this problem 15 to the power x minus 7 to the power x equals 176, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 176 into two numbers such as 22 times 8. Next, we are going to break down 22 into the summation of 15 plus 7 and express 8 as 15 minus 7. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 15 to the power 2 minus 7 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.